Hello guys, welcome back to the class. In this class we are still looking at division of polynomials. We'll be taking one more example on this before we move to the next subtopic. So now we have a question here, example 3, that says divide the polynomial x raised to the power 4 minus x squared plus 5 by what? By x minus 1. So the first thing we have to do is to show that we are dividing x raised to the power 4 minus x squared divided by x minus 1. So if I'm to divide this, I represent this on a tabular form, in a division table. Based on the power I have here, this will be x raised to the power 4 plus 0x cubed minus x squared plus 0x plus 5. Dividing this by what? By x minus 1. The same old procedure. I say x in x raised to the power 4 gives me x raised to the power 3. Now I use my x raised to the power 3 to multiply everything here. So I have x raised to the power 3 times x. I have x raised to the power 4. X raised to the power 3 times minus 1. I have minus x raised to the power 3. And then I subtract. X raised to the power 4 minus x raised to the power 4 gives me 0. 0x cubed, that's 0 minus x raised to the power 3. That's plus x raised. I bring down minus x squared. And I say x in x cubed. That gives me x squared. I now use x squared to multiply both of them here. X squared times x gives me x cubed. X squared times minus 1 gives me minus x squared. Subtracting this, I see that this gives me 0 as well as this. So since I have 0, 0 here, bringing this one down will still be 0. It will still be 0x, which is still 0. So I just bring down the next one too. So I go to the next one, I bring it down. This comes down as 5. And then I can say x in 5 is not possible. That means this is actually just the remainder, and then this is the quotient. So I can therefore say that this is my cube, my quotient, and this is my remainder. So I can say therefore my x raised to the power 4 minus x squared plus 5 divided by x minus 1 gives me x cubed plus x squared remainder 5. So that is my answer here, my final answer here. And then we can move towards to the next subtopic under this, under polynomials, which is what we term the factor theorem. The factor theorem. See you next class. Do well to solve more questions as usual, and then have a nice day.